Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the door is fully closed and noting where the latch misses the strike plate. Mark the spot with a pencil so you know which direction to adjust. Once done, remove interior trim screws carefully and set them aside in a labeled container. Make sure to have a Phillips and flat driver, small hex keys, replacement screws, and a silicone lubricant ready. These let you address common causes, loosened screws and dried mechanisms, without delay. You should now loosen the handle and lock mounting screws about 1/2 turn to free internal components without removing them yet, which helps you test movement. Once accessible, inspect the locking bolt, rollers, and strike plate for wear, debris, or bending. Identify whether the problem is alignment, hardware failure, or dirt. Next, apply silicone lubricant to rollers and the bolt. Then operate the lock. While you gently adjust roller tension or striker, you finish by aligning the strike plate or adjusting the frame screws until the latch hits the marked spot. Then tighten everything securely so it won't drift. If parts are visibly worn or bent, replace the bolt or rollers with same-size hardware to maintain proper fit and prevent future misalignment. Once reassembled, reinstall the trim and cycle the door 10 to 15 times to seat components. If it still sticks, recheck striker alignment and consider shimming the frame as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.